good in science, honey. What happened here?
Then!
You are so much trouble.
Yeah!
You are going to be grounded for a week.
Yeah!
I got this. Let me handle it. Let me handle it. Get out of here. Yeah, I got it. Don't worry, Linda. I can't believe
You gonna get in trouble.
I can't believe you flunked science like this. You know the teacher? I'm going to call her Monday, and I'm going to let her have it. How dare she flunk you?
I don't understand it, Pops. I
She
tried
did-
my best.
I'm sure you did your best.